Christine. Let's take a look at our new product, Compact Surface Mount Box. It's designed with a limited space in mind and making a great choice for a tight installation area. It works with any standard Keystone jack, and the shutter mechanism is built to stay smooth. It gives plenty of room for all plug types, so nothing gets in the way of your connection. You can easily snap Keystone jacks in and out with a screwdriver, making setup and changes quick and simple. It can be mounted with screw or with strong magnet, giving you flexible option for a different environment. Available in 1 ports and 2 ports version, it gives you a clean and reliable way to keep your connection secure and organized.